Hey, how's it going everyone? Hope you're doing all well. In this video I'm just going to give you a couple of updates for the upcoming content of the channel and also some upcoming courses. But before we get into the content, if you like my videos then smash that like button just to get that algorithm up and going. And also share this video with others like you. And hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel, then this would be the perfect moment to do so, because I put up content like this, well not like this, but coding content each and every week. And also hit that notification bell in order to get notified whenever I post new videos, so you'll be the first to see them. Then if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, then please consider leaving your thoughts in the comment section below. So with this being said, let's get into today's video. I'm currently working on editing and publishing my 30 JavaScript projects in 30 days course. Now this course is a purely project-based course, and it's also intended mainly for beginners. The course will contain 30 independent projects, all with modern HTML, CSS3, and of course JavaScript, everything done from scratch. The course will be coming out soon, so please stay tuned for more updates for the release date. Also upon the release date, I will include in the description of the release video a coupon code which will be, I think 4 or 5 days available, and you will get the lowest price possible that Udemy provides. Now so far as the channel go, I will keep my pace of 1 video per week, although I wish to update it to 2 videos per week. Now for the second video, I would like to create a more informative kind of video. Obviously still about coding, but with a more wider view on the coding industry. So it's kind of more or less a news video, but with the intent of keeping you up to date with the latest trends and tricks and tips of the industry. As far as for the other posts goes, I will keep my one video, one project theme. Which just means that in one video, we're going to create the entire project, so the entire HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything from scratch. And of course I'm going to explain the entire process from start to finish. Now some of the projects may be a bit longer, and those are the ones that are going to be trimmed down into multiple episodes. Now you may be familiar with my playlist. For example, my Learn JavaScript by creating a game playlist, where we create a game and also learning JavaScript completely from scratch, but it has 9 parts. So if you wish to check that out, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to see how that looks. Another great example for playlist, although a bit shorter, is my Build a Responsive website completely from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript of course, but we are building it from a desktop version, but it's also responsive, to a tablet version and then to a phone version. Now if you wish to check out that playlist, I will also leave a link in the description below. Now you may or may not know, I also have a couple of crash courses on my channel, but I'm considering giving them a facelift up. Well, the problem is when I started YouTube, I didn't have that good of a communication skill. I don't think that I have it right now, but I'm getting better at it. So what I wish to do is to give each of my crash courses a lift up. I will like to redo them, just because I think that the way I communicated my knowledge to you wasn't that good. But I will let you be the judge of that, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below to all of them, and I'm also considering on doing a new crash course on JavaScript. Now this will be a crash course on the fundamentals of JavaScript. It will not be a complete course. I also have courses on modern JavaScript, which is pretty also something long. As you know, crash courses are mainly intended for you to just check them out, see how that technology works, and then decide if you want to go more deeper or not into them. So if you wish to check out those crash courses, I will leave a link in the description below. Now a shameless plug, my complete courses are also in the description below. Now if you wish to give them a try, please do so. And actually with this occasion, I will also include a coupon code for each of them, so you get the lowest price possible. As for future courses, I'm planning on doing a backend course. Now I'm still unsure on how exactly I should structure it, so if you have any kind of input for me, please do so. For future content, I'm also planning on doing a couple of React projects. Now you didn't see any React on my channel so far, and this is widely because of it's between Angular, React, Vue.js and so far and so on. I really want to touch on that. But as always, I would like to hear your input in the comment section below of if you wish or wish not to see some kind of React projects. Okay everyone, so that's it for the update. As always, thank you for watching, stay safe and stay healthy. So, see you next time, bye bye.